Hi there, I'm Professor Blackmore and welcome back to my channel. And I'm coming back to you today to talk very briefly about the Walshe murder case. And as you know, this is a gruesome and very unfortunate situation, including some very brutal details about what this man did in his efforts to murder his wife, Anna Walshe. Now, as you know, law enforcement has not yet found the body of his wife, but they have enough circumstantial evidence to go ahead and charge him with murder. And as such, he was brought before the court today so that he could be advised of the recently filed updated murder charges against him. And I'll come back later to discuss this case in greater detail, but I want to talk about a possible motive. Because in my opinion, the prosecutor revealed a very interesting detail during today's hearing. And so let's take a look at a portion of what she had to say.
On January 1st, defendant Googled using his son's iPad. Some of his searches are as follows. Keep in mind that the defendant said he left at 6 a.m. At 4:55 a.m. on January 1st, he searched how long before a body starts to smell. At 4:58 a.m., how to stop a body from decomposing. At 5:20 a.m., he searched how to embalm a body. At 5:47 a.m., 10 ways to dispose of a dead body if you really need to. At 6:25 a.m. on the 1st, how long for someone to be missing to inherit. At 6:34 a.m. on the 1st, can you throw away bodies?
Okay, so now the prosecutor does not enunciate her words that well, in my opinion. And so I don't know if you heard her clearly, but she said that at 6:25 a.m. on January the 1st, he did an internet Google search for, quote, how long for someone to be missing to inherit, end quote. And so I would not be surprised if this is not a very possible motive in light of the fact that it was discovered that he also perpetrated some type of fraud on his deceased father's assets upon learning that he was disinherited from his father's will. And so it is possible that maybe his wife had one or more insurance policies that possibly listed him and or their children as beneficiaries. And maybe he thought that he would be able to exploit those financial assets. And so again, I'll come back later to discuss this case in further detail. But until then, as you know on here, I just ask and report and I let you decide. So what do you think about these interesting details? Do you think a possible motive for this murder was some crazy idea that he could possibly inherit as maybe a beneficiary of some sort on one or more insurance policies that his wife may have had, either as a direct beneficiary or buying through his children? Please let me know by leaving your comments in the comment section below. And I hope you'll also consider donating to this video in an effort to support the work that I do on this channel by clicking the super thanks heart button below. And while you're there, I want to also ask that you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell so you'll be notified whenever I come back with more analysis on this case. And please also follow me on TikTok and Instagram.